Hello mga kamatiniks. Okay, tricks reveal tayo ngayon. No, yung kung paano ko nasagutan yung pag-multiply ng kahit anong two-digit number by 99, no? Kagaya sa itong video na to. Okay? So, yung ginagawa ko dyan is, example, we have 56 times 99. So, paano pagsagot nito by mental? Yung gawin natin, yung 56, subtract lang natin ng 1. So, this will become 55. Okay? Now, itong 55, lalagay natin dito. Subtract natin. So, you will have 4. Meaning, ito na yung ating final answer. So, that is 5,544 ng ating 56 times 99. So, another example. Let's say, 65 times 99. Again, mag-minus 1 lang tayo dito. So, that is 64. At yung 64, lalagay natin dito. I-subtract natin sa 99. So, you will have 5. You have 3. So, meaning, ito na yung ating sagot. 6,435.